Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Sunday session of Glow Up Hour. My name is Ava, and I'm very happy and excited to share with you yung mga isi-share ko for today. And if you have not seen it, our focus for today is how to reset, recharge, and radiate. Radiate your glow. A smarter way for wellness for busy people. Okay, because right now we're doing a lot of things at home, in our jobs, in our businesses, and sometimes we rarely have the time to actually take care of ourselves. Do you agree? We're so busy and then we get burnt out, and a lot of us are not feeling our best. Even if we try to look okay on the outside, we put on makeup, we put on creams, but then how are we actually feeling inside? So let me ask you, have you ever felt like you're always tired even though you just woke up, kahit kakagising mo lang or kakatapos mo lang magpahinga, parang pagod na pagod ka and it was not enough, or you feel bloated or heavy, or hindi ka comfortable in your own skin, or feeling mo ba you're aging faster than you should be because of all the stress around you, right? So if any of these sound like you're not alone. And I feel this way I feel this way also. And that's why I like this topic very much, because we don't want living our days, in stress and feeling bloated or feeling tired all the time. We want to enjoy our time, right? And we don't want to just spend time working and go home and just sleep. We want to enjoy. We we don't live to work. We want to work to live. Tama ba yung pagkakasabi ko? So, for today, we will have the topic will be to help you reset without having to add more stress. What are the options? Especially if you're in your 30s or 40s and then you feel like you're already in your 50s. I've seen a lot of memes that say millennials. So if you're a millennial, say, "Hi Jen, I hope you're feeling better."
Thank you. Hindi pa masyado pero carry.
Sige lang. Thanks for joining tonight. So, I was saying I saw some clips, some memes that talk about millennials. Millennials are the people who look like they're in their 20s, but they look like they're in their 20s, but they feel like they're in their 70s because of all the stress that they're going through. And I know, even if, some people will not admit it, it's a silent struggle for many of us. So, Jen, feel free to comment, to butt in if you have the energy. But yun nga, tonight we're talking about how we can reset our energy, not only look young, but also feel young. Because at the end of the day, we're working so hard to experience life, to enjoy what we have. So, uh, what are the common wellness struggles of busy people or busy women? As I mentioned kanina, even if you're sleeping, you still feel tired, right? Even if it's many hours of sleep, parang pagod ka pa rin pagkagising mo. Sinong guilty dyan? Second, craving coffee or energy drinks or sweets para lang mag-survive ka ng day mo, di ba? For you to do everything you need to do. Another thing is after eating, or not even after eating lang, you feel bloated or heavy, for no reason. Even sometimes you didn't eat a lot, you feel bloated pa rin. And another thing is brain fog. So, these are some of the things that people, I think nowadays, mas nafe-feel ng mga tao at a younger age, at an earlier age. So, I think ngayon nangyayari, we are aging faster than we should be. Like, we're seeing teenagers have diseases of old people, of 50-year-olds and 60-year-olds, like diabetes and hypertension. And basically, it's what we eat and what we do, diba? So, for us, for busy, we always want to go to the natural solution. So, what are the simple habits that we can change? First, very important, hydration. Diba? And maganda rin to add lemon, or kung sa Philippines, siguro kalamansi, masyadong mahal ang lemon. Hydrate. Make sure, di ba? Find solutions like ako, I have my water bottle, or I have a glass of water kasi nakakatamad minsan tayo ka ng tayo, di ba? Kaya nauso rin yung mga tumblers na may na may ml para kita mo gaano kadami na yung nainom mo. And it also motivates you when you see it. So another thing is movement. Especially nowadays, almost all of us are just working on our phones, on our PCs, di ba? Halos hindi ka na talaga gumagalaw. Tapos parang kahit whole day ka na sa work and on your business, you were just sitting down, parang pagod na pagod ka pa rin at the end of the day, tapos parang wala ka nang gustong gawin. But movement is very important. At least stretching, as soon as you get up, especially after sleeping, we need to activate yung body natin to keep to wake up our bodies. So, sleep routine. This is a little bit challenging, especially if you're working 2 jobs, for example, tapos about mommy ka pa, di ba? 7 to 8 hours, they say, of quality sleep is very important. But who gets 7 to 8 hours of sleep? Quality sleep nowadays. Diba? The other solution that we can have is anti-inflammatory foods, such as leafy greens, ginger, even garlic is anti-inflammatory, and onions. And one thing that's becoming popular right now is dry brushing or self-massage. I guess a lot of people do that, but now it's dry brushing, where it stimulates yung lymph flow. So if you're not familiar with dry brushing, literally, yun yung ginagawa niya. You're using a brush without any lotion or oil or cleaner, just like brushing your skin. But, sometimes, hindi enough yung natural habits. Alam na natin to lahat. We need to move, we need to hydrate, we need to sleep, we need to eat right. But we are not doing it because we're too busy. We are too tired to do all these things. And then it just accumulates more and more. Diba? So, Jen, would you like to share something that na-experience mo na ganon? Like, you're stressed, tapos it just kept building up. Are you able to speak ba?
Siguro, like right now, I'm under a lot of stress. Like,
Oo.
ang dami kong problema. So, sa work. And the fastest way that shows up in my body is through hyperacidity. So that's one. When I have that, I can't eat well. I can't take any of my supplements. I can't. Kumbaga, everything that I try to put down, I throw up again. So very hard. Like, it's hard to sleep. I have to sleep in a certain position. Otherwise, mag-a-acid ulit ako. So, yeah, those are one of the long-term effects of having such a stressful job. Sometimes we don't realize it, but it does accumulate. And even if you've resolved na yung problematic situation, whatever that stressful moment was, yung lingering effects niya sa body mo, it takes years to even calm it down, or for like siguro it's like my case, no, I still have it even after I've I've moved on from those issues like long before. So yun.
Alam ko ba yung mga issue?
Work related.
So, thanks for sharing. It's true kasi like in my case, because of my habits, when I was younger, hindi ako kumakain ng fruits and vegetables talaga. And even though nag-workout ako regularly, I was very active. Nagkaroon ako ng gallbladder stones. And na dagdagan pa to because of the stress also from work. Grabe talaga yung work, no? And because of that, I had to undergo surgery. And now, even though ilan years ago na ba? 7 years ago na yata, since I had my surgery, pag kulang ako sa tulog, or like, when nag-overexert ako in sports or activities, nagkakaroon ako ng pain dun sa surgical scar ko. And it takes time to actually recover from the stress, di ba? As you said. And sobrang okay that we go for natural solutions, like these things that I mentioned, but sometimes you're just too tired to do it, di ba? So, imagine if there was a smart way to support yung wellness, overall wellness natin, wherein kahit stress tayo, it's not too difficult to do. Like, how do I mean this? Ikwento ko na lang. Yung asawa ko kasi, if you're not aware, na-hospital siya and almost 2 weeks siya sa ICU. So, bumagsak talaga yung katawan niya. Underwent a lot of stress, ganyan, and a lot of medication. So you can only imagine kung paano siya naka-recover. And parang it's difficult to willpower kasi it's not enough di ba? At some point, pwede siya. Pero parang pag there's too much stress, mahirap na talaga. So one of the things that has helped him and helped me as well is improving yung lymphatic circulation. So in my case, since mahilig ako mag-workout, I move a lot. Like, I tell my friends nga, mas sumasakit yung katawan ko pagka mga 3 days na, hindi pa ako nakaka-workout. Like, some people, sumasakit yung katawan nila after mag-workout. Of course, it happens to me also. Pero, if 3 days wala akong movement, like, sa bahay lang ako, sumasakit yung katawan ko. And, if you feel this, it's mainly because your lymphatic system nagka-clog up. And not a lot of people are aware of this, yung lymphatic system. Ano ba yan? I think now nagkakaroon siya ng, tawag doon? Mas nalalaman siya ngayon ng mga tao. Like here, meron ng mga salons or spas that are actually offering lymphatic massage. And people are understanding better ano yung value niya. Kasi if you're feeling sluggish, if you're feeling bloated, lalo na kung matagal ka nakaupo, or when you're traveling, your legs suddenly feel sore, or parang nangangalay, this is because clogged up yung lymphatic system. So, sabi ni Jen, that happens to me if wala akong pawis at all. Pag sobrang lamig, nagkakabukol ako sa armpits and neck. Yan. So, ang galing kasi very obvious yung sinasabi mo na nagka-clog up. So, ako kasi hindi nangyari yan sa akin I didn't know. So, thank you for sharing. Literally pala nagkakabukol. So, it means hindi dumadaloy ng maayos. Now, for example, for our blood kasi, we have the heart to pump the blood all throughout the body. However, yung lymphatic system natin, nagbi-build up yung toxins. Unless you move, yun nga, magka-clog siya. So, pag walang pawis ngayon kay Jen. Thank you for sharing that, Jen. Now, fortunately, we have a solution for this that you can do it at your home, and kumbaga, multiply niya yung effects ng natural solutions, nung habits that you're doing. Drinking water, sleeping well, and eating right. And kumbaga, parang itong tool na to that I'm gonna share with you, it has helped me a lot. Kasi, like, yung posture natin talagang nasisira na, di ba? We're always on the phone or on the PC, we're slouching. And also, habang tumatanda ka, the gravity pulls you down. So unless you're moving, unless you're working out, walang mobility sa katawan mo, you would feel tired na parang mas lalo ka tuloy nahihirapan makarecover. But with this tool right now that we're gonna share, especially if you're traveling a lot or you're sitting out, it's very helpful kasi it's a system wherein there are ingredients that will help yung lymphatic flow mo. At the same time, it-stimulate na niya yung movement sa lymphatic system. So, i-share ko sa inyo some of the things also that you can do. Kaya uso yung jump rope. Kasi when you're jumping or you're just, like flailing your arms, any sort of movement, it doesn't have to be running, it doesn't have to be jogging. It could just be like skipping in place or kung gusto mo trampoline. Yan, makakatulong yan to support your lymphatic health. As I mentioned kanina, yung dry brushing, as in literally bumili ka ng brush, uso yan if you search it. And then, yan, para ka naghihilod but using the dry brush. Now, if you search also on YouTube, merong manual lymphatic drainage. What they do is, kasi we have drains sa body natin eh. So, one of the drains is the armpit. So, ano ba tawag? Hahampasin mo lang sa belly, behind the knees, sa groin area. So, you just do this. If gusto mo yung natural. So, 5 minutes a day would be sufficient for the whole body, 5 to 10 minutes a day. Now, it would be better if you can do it longer. Some people naman, they use Epsom salts. So, lagay mo lang siya sa water, but this one is not recommended for diabetics. Hindi pwedeng masyadong matagal babad yung paa nila sa tubig. So, the Epsom salts would help draw out the toxin. Ngayon, what if there's a smart solution wherein minimal effort from you, di ba? And then, relax ka lang. And then, you feel really refreshed. Nung unang narinig ko tong tool na to, parang sabi ko, it's too good to be true. But actually, it is true. And it's called the WellSpa IO. It's a system that goes with the gel. And ang galing, kasi nga, as I mentioned kanina, yung posture ko, nasa slouch na, so natatighten yung sa neck and the shoulders. And I think a lot of us, ganito din yung problema kasi marami ako nakausap din dito. Yan yung, pag tinatanong ko, what is your main concern sa body mo? In terms of tension, or may pain ka, and most of them always mention neck and shoulders. So, and when I first tried this, so you just apply the gel on the nodes and then switch the device on and i-glide mo lang siya. Wala ka nang gagawin. This is such a smart device. Mag-a-adjust siya according to your needs. So, it's a one size fits all. Ganun ba yung tawag doon? Kasi it adjusts, customizable siya. That I don't need to do anything. Yung siya na yung mag-a-adjust. Di ba? Gusto natin yan. So, aside from reducing the pain for pain management, i-reduce niya yung bloating. So, I don't know if you saw my video. Itong ring ko kasi, nag-gain ako ng weight. So, minsan hindi ko siya ma-pull out. Alam mo yun. But, after doing the WellSpa on my hand, na-reduce yung bloating. So, hindi pala ako mataba. Bloated lang yung kamay ko. And it's very ideal for people who are sitting long, and traveling a lot. So, ngayon, let me just show. Jen, may gusto kong i-share sa experience mo about WellSpa.
Madami actually. Siguro kahit later when you're doing your demo.
Sige lang, go.
Okay, so personally, I was in Japan kasi a few days ago. And mga 20,000 steps on average for someone na who walks na mga 2,000 steps a day. That's just like 10 times of the effort, right? Na may bit-bit ka, walang upo-upo. So I was doing pretty well kasi in the beginning, parang comfy naman yung shoes ko and all that. Of course, may tiredness, pero baon ko yung mga new skin gels ko, so okay ako. And siguro as the week progressed, kasi I was there for 8 days, dumating siya sa point na yung pain niya umaakyat na, masakit na yung ankles ko, hindi lang yung sole of my feet, pero pati ankles ko. May nararamdaman na akong pain sa may shin, ta's umaakyat siya hanggang sa may sa may thigh. So, medyo palala siya ng palala. Parang sinasabi ng katawan ko na umaakyat yung pain. So, I really did feel bloated kasi bukod sa malamig, yun nga, hindi kami pinapawisan. So, it was a lot of things. At ang immediate regret ko was not bringing my well spa. Yan talaga. So, pinaghinayangan ko na bibitbitin ko siya sa maleta. I should have. Baka na-convert ko pa yung mga kasama ko. But, the thing is, they were pretty amazed with dala-dala ko kasi yung Ice Dancer. So, super crowd favorite yun. May order na tuloy ako. But, going back to Well Spa, on the very last night, sabi ko, bakit ang sakit ng paa ko? So, pagtingin ko doon sa may leg ko, itinaas ko lang ng konti yung skirt. Nakita ko talaga, meron akong bagong varicose vein. As
Oh
in,
my.
bago. As in, sabi ko, oh no, that's why it hurt. It hurt really bad. As in, nung hinawakan ko siya, pumipintig siya. That bad. So, sabi ko doon sa friend ko, uy, alam mo, may varicose vein ako, pero hindi ganyan. Bago yan. So, yung takot ko na, oh my God, yung paa ko, yung paa ko, yung paa ko. So, that night, hindi ako naligo. Parang, sabi ko, hindi, papahinga ko to. Kasi alam mo naman yung Filipino, di ba? Kahit malamig, maliligo pa rin sa gabi. So, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. And for a lot of things, I think it's partly true. I mean, naniniwala ka man sa pasma or hindi. If you don't really immerse yourself sa hot water, yung parang ganong levels, hindi mo talaga matatanggal yung tiredness sa katawan mo. So I do take hot showers but it's not enough. Kasi imagine mo na lang yung how many hours you walked tapos nun hot shower lang, right? So anyway, what happened was, pagbalik ko ng Manila, that was one of the first things that I did. Although madaling araw na yun nung lumapag ako, I made sure that I had a shower. And then after nun, nag-well spa ako. Alam mo yung, no kidding, I just don't have pictures of it. Pero no kidding, yung bago kong fresh na varicose vein, nawala siya. Okay, it's back to the normal varicose. So, yung mga additions nawala siya. Nawala na rin yung throbbing, yung talagang pintig, yung makikita mo parang tumitibok-tibok siyang gano'n, nawala yun. So, you can just imagine yung benefit ng well spa. So, just to share with you what I did, I started with yung well spa, ginawa ko 5 minutes sa collarbone at the base of the neck. And then I did the groin area, 5 minutes each side, so that's 10. And then total of 10 minutes din dun sa part ng leg ko. Yun yung likod ng tuhod. Yun.
Okay. Alak-alakan.
Yes, tama.
Ayun. Thanks for sharing. Ang galing. Actually, yung sa varicose vein, so sinasabi mo one time lang, tapos nawala na agad siya. Tama ba?
Oo. I mean, meron na kasi akong varicose veins. Like makikita mo, siguro dala rin ng skin color ko. Parang mas noticeable yung veins ko dun sa alak-alakan nga. Mas noticeable talaga siya. Pero yung nag-pop siya during that time, talagang para siyang web. Alam mo yun? Very alarming kasi I've never seen it like that.
Ang galing kasi kakakita ko lang actually this morning, someone else from, I don't know which part. Anyway, meron din siya on her quads and then sa calves. As in, pinakita niya naka-time-lapse. After 1 use, talagang nakita mo na-reduce yung, yung varicose veins. So, thanks for sharing that. Kasi basically, siya, clogging talaga nung system. And in my case naman, pag after ko maglaro, so like in your case, ramdam mo sa shins mo, sa ankles, sa calves, ako din, the same thing when I play. But, kung i-expect mo, for my age, matatagalan ako mag-recover. But then, I use this system, after ko maglaro, imamassage ko lang siya, nagre-relax ako, before I take my shower. Imamassage ko lang siya sa calves ko and sa quads. And then after that, I feel relaxed na. The following day, walang sakit sa legs ko. So, the other thing that I have is, nagkaroon kasi ako ng knee surgery sa left knee. So, mas mahina siya, so to speak. Mas mabilis siyang mapagod, so to speak, compared to my right leg, right knee. So, pag umakit ako ng hagdan and I don't do my strengthening, nagkakaroon ako ng pain. So, sometimes, yun nga, as I mentioned, pag stress ka na, parang minsan pagod ka ng, ayaw mo nang mag-workout or ayaw ko nang gawin yung exercise. So, what I did, I used this system around on the muscles surrounding the knee. And then the following day, ano lang yun 10 minutes lang siya. The following day, wala na yung pain. I could, normally go up the stairs again without any pain. So, it sounds like magic. Maybe they did magic. Pero totoo Amazing talaga. Kaya talagang I swear by this system. And ako pa kasi mahilig ako magpamasahe when I was in the Philippines, yung Ventosa. And kasi sobrang tense talaga nung back ko. Yes, great science, exactly. We say it as magic when we don't understand it, but now talagang backed up by science. So yun nga, yung sa back ko. But now with the WellSpa, with this system, parang alam mo yung parang bato tapos na-breakdown siya. So it's flowing normally. So if you're the type of person na hindi ka mahilig mag-exercise, and, gusto mong mag-relax na lang, and then ayaw mong gumastos magpamassage, you just wanna stay at home, this is one system that you can use. Kasi, bahay ka lang, pagawa mo sa anak mo, pagawa mo sa asawa mo, or you can do it by yourself as well. At the comfort of your home. You can take it with you. Yun nga sabi ni Jen, she regretted not bringing it to Japan. You can bring it with you anywhere you go kasi sobrang liit lang na. I also bring it sometimes before I play, because it improves mobility. So, I mean, you can also go for the natural habits. If you are disciplined, you believe that you have the strong willpower to do it every time, walang problema. But sometimes it's really not enough. So why not rely on a smart tool that's backed up by science, that's tested, and kami personally na-experience namin that it works. It's not all talk. Now, what is the second concern that we have is parang parati kang pagod or craving sugar or coffee, di ba? What is the real issue behind this? Usually, it's your metabolic processes. So, a lot of people, they're pre-diabetic or diabetic because of the sugar spikes. Kasi inom ka ng kape, lalagyan mo ng maraming gatas, tsaka ng asukal, di ba? Or even the energy drinks have a lot of sugar as well. So, there was a time, hindi ako mahilig sa kape. Umiinom lang ako ng kape kasi nagka-crave ako minsan for the flavor. So, there was one time, order ako parati ng kape sa McDonald's. And then, I noticed, the following day, pagkagising ko, parang hindi ko talaga ma-peel off yung back ko from the bed. Hindi talaga ako makabangon. Pagod na pagod ako. So, I realized siguro after 2 weeks that was happening. Sabi ko, it must be the coffee. Kasi yun lang talaga yung binago ko. At one point, you feel so energized kasi na-boost yung energy mo because of the caffeine. But then, after that, crash ka. I had friends before sa football kasi pagod na sila sa work and they wanna have energy for the game. They drink yung energy drink. So, they have a lot of energy. But then they say, after that, pass out sila for 8 to 12 hours. Tapos hirap ka pa. You don't feel recharged pa after you wake up. So, for me, I stopped drinking coffee unless desperate situations. Yeah. Jen, would you like to share something about that as well? Okay. Sige. So,
About coffee ba? Sorry.
about energy and then what you do to boost sudden boost of energies, sudden boost of energy, nag-energy drink ka ba, or nag-jumping jacks, what do you do
Right.
those?
So, basically, what I do now is I really avoid coffee at all costs. For one, magiging acidic lang ako. Number
Mm.
two, I don't really enjoy it anymore. I used to, like yung matatamis, ganyan. Pero ngayon, hindi eh. Tapos yung mapait na black coffee, hindi ko rin na-enjoy. So, both ways, I don't like it. Ang go-to ko is, if I need energy, I need to wake up, tas alam ko yung health benefits niya, ganyan-ganyan. Ngayon, pag as you grow older, no, you count the benefits. So, for me, ang favorite ko talaga go-to ko is Nubiome. One, because it tastes like juice. Pangalawa, it has caffeine. And pangatlo, it's really good for my gut. Like, if you're suffering from anything gut-related health, like ako, hyperacidity, yan. Nubiome is the way to go. Super effective for me.
Then, familiar ka ba ano yung main ingredients sa Nubiome?
Main ingredients.
Oo.
Um, I can't really tell you yung main ingredients niya, but I can tell you what it is. It's a pre and postbiotic in one. So
Oh.
if you're taking probio natin, that's the probiotic form, na capsule form. But if you want it really handy, na you enjoy the process, it's a good substitute for coffee. Like if you're trying to break away from coffee, ito yun. Yung prebiotics, it's a good addition din sa gut health natin. Kasi, lalo na when you're changing countries or location, always bring those two, like yung ProBio tsaka NuBio. Kasi it helps your gut adjust dun sa different diet or water kung saan ka man pupunta. I mean, regardless if it's the same country or what. 'Di ba? Sometimes kada island, it's a different thing. So, water source pa lang, right? So, yun. I
Yeah.
always go with that.
Okay, thanks for sharing that. So, totoo, no? Kasi one of the things na pag tinamaan ka doon is mawawalan ka talaga ng energy. Parang wala kang magagawa. And I've experienced it in my life kasi nga, meron akong gallbladder stones before coupled with hyperacidity, like na-mention mo nga, Jen. And parang wala kang magawa. Like, masakit or diarrhea or nagsusuka ka, di ba? And once we address yung concern na yun sa gut, which is as they say 80 or 90% na influences kung ba't tayo nagkakaroon ng disease if we don't fix yung gut health natin. So, yung Nubiome is combination na nga siya, as you mentioned, pre and postbiotic. And basically, tutulungan niya maging healthy yung environment ng tiyan mo, ng gut. So, ito yung totoong okay ka ba tiyan na product. And so, if you're looking for natural ways, of course, sleep hygiene is very important. Limiting caffeine from coffee or even tea. Sabi nila, if you're drinking coffee, even if it's black, huwag kang iinom after, some people say after 2 p.m., some people say after 12. Kasi even if you nakakatulog ka, the quality of your sleep will not be good. And if your quality of sleep is not good, pagod ka lang the following day, di ba? And another thing is, of course, balanced meal. For me, what helps is choosing protein over mga snacks. So, for example, kung gusto ko mag-snack, I would go to nuts and seeds over bread, for example. Or kaya, kung mahilig ka mag-munch on carrots or celeries, pwede rin yan. And napansin ko yan kasi nga, as I mentioned, yung asawa ko na hospital siya. And since meron siyang diabetes, mahirap kontrolin eh. Nagka-crave talaga sila, yung mga diabetic, sa carbs, sa cookies, pastries, and breads. And so, sinuggest ko sa kanya, when you're craving for something, try first yung protein. So, inumpisahan niya, pag nagugutom siya, kinakain niya boiled egg. And napansin niya, nagkaroon talaga siya ng more energy. Before, like, mommy ko din kasi diabetic, after niya kumain, talagang antok na antok, as in knockout. Kailangan diretso ng tulog. But now, the more often he's eating protein, mas nagkakaroon siya ng energy. So instead of snacking on that, biscuit, pang puno ng gutom, choose something that is protein-based if you have to snack pa. Now, I wanted to share also a smart solution kasi nga, kung may willpower ka, gawin yan lahat. Go, di ba? But if you're at that level where you have to reset your body's function, metabolic function, yung gut health mo, this is something that you would want to try. And itong lahat ng share ko tonight, I'm so excited kasi nakita ko din talaga yung huge difference dun sa asawa ko. When he started, meron kasi siyang problema sa gut niya. And dahil effect na rin ng gamot and ng hospitalization. So basically, kailangan i-reset yung buong body system niya. And this is one of the products na tinake niya, Meta, just after a week, no exaggeration, I think after a week, basta less than a month, sabi niya sa akin, gusto ko yung product na yan kasi napansin ko talaga it works. Hindi sumasakit yung tiyan niya and nabawasan yung gut issues niya. So, ang maganda kasi dito is ita-target niya yung root cause ng problema with your metabolic health. Kasi marami dyan, quick fix lang, di ba? And one of the main ingredients nito is yung, anong tawag doon? Well, yung anthocyanins. So, if you want to know more about this, you look for foods that are deep purple in color. So, blueberries, ano pa nga ba yan? Purple corn din ba? Ayan. So, pero, if gusto mo na nung kumaga only all of the good, wala na nung mga unwanted things dun sa foods, ito na yung ita-take mo. And just after a few days, may mafe-feel ka ng difference. Of course, this depends on each person. Lalo na if you're at that level talaga na medyo napabayaan mo na yung health mo, this is a good reset for your body. Yun. So, hindi mo na kakailanganin ng caffeine when you take this. And it's backed by science. So, finally, ano yung third concern that I wanted to address? I'm aging faster than I should, di ba? May mga tao nga, 30 pa lang sila, nagrereklamo na sila, they feel they're in their 50s, and, nagpapa-blood test sila, and then they already have hypertension or pre-diabetes, and all these things. And who wants this, right? At an early age. Even though they say that our generation is gonna live longer than previous generations, we're also getting sick earlier because of the habits that we have. We're not moving so much. We're eating fast food, And we all know this. Merong mga natural solutions. Eat right, antioxidant-rich foods, avoid stress as much as we can, tsaka processed food, sleep, again. And, some people practice meditation to lower their stress level or exercise. Sobrang daming solutions, natural solutions. But we all know this, but why are we not doing it? Kasi nga, for some people, especially our age, we get to that point na we have accumulated a lot of bad habits na imagine, di ba, pag sa kotse, if you drive, alin ang mas madaling mag-accelerate when you're from fully stop or umaandar ka na ng kahit mabagal. Mas madaling mag-accelerate, di ba, pag medyo umaandar ka na. So, when you're at full stop, parang ikaw yan, na you accumulated a lot of bad habits in your life, bad sleep hygiene, bad eating habits, stress, So it's difficult for you to actually overcome yung level of stress na yon, like a car, to go into motion again. Whereas, slowly, daily, little things, one thing at a time. You shift. You eat more, you drink more natural tea, for example, or you eat more berries, for example, one thing at a time to help you. Now, if gusto mo naman a smart way as well, as I mentioned, to help you overcome this, ito naman yung isi-share ko. It's called Age Lock Wispan. Literally, it's like the fountain of youth in a bottle. Bakit? Kasi tutulungan ka niya talaga to feel younger. So, Jen, may gusto ka bang i-share na experience mo with Wispan?
Actually, sis, ang Wispan sa akin nakakaganda, eh.
Nakakaano?
Nakakaganda. Parang
Oh,
pansin ko iba yung glow.
diba?
Oo. Siguro kasi when I was taking it, hindi masyado on sa pagkapagod, gano'n. Not like when I was really working. So, hindi ko na masyadong dama yung pagod. Pero ang immediate effect talaga sa akin, nakikita ko parang kakaiba yung skin ko.
Galing. Yan. So, ang galing kasi yan yung hindi ko naman napansin na effect on me. But it's true, di ba? Kung inaalagaan mo yung nasa loob mo talaga, magre-radiate yan to outward glow. Kaya nga, even like cases like psoriasis or eczema, these cases are not just skin related. It's because of your concern inside your body. Now, for me, marami akong experience with Wispan. Love na love ko talaga tong product na to. As I mentioned, I play a lot of sports. When I was working pa as an engineer, I work all day and then I play football in the night. Tapos, after playing, lalabas pa kami ng mga friends ko. So, nakakauwi ako mga alas 3. And then, gising ako ng mga alas 6 ng umaga and then go to work na ulit. And when you're younger, okay lang yan. But I was doing it, I think, late 20s to early 30s. So, syempre, sinispeed up ko rin yung aging ko with that. But when I started using yung Wispan, yung legs ko that would feel sore the following day, nabawasan siya just after less than a week of using it. So another thing is itong ang asawa ko, aside from the gut issues kasi, is yung energy talaga. And napansin niya, after he started taking it less than 2 weeks pa lang, sabi niya, nakakatuwa kasi I'm able to do more and I'm able to move more without actually forcing himself na parang kailangan kong gawin to, kailangan ganyan. And, parang before, iisipin pa niya, ito ba yung gagawin ko or ito? At the end of it all, wala na siyang gagawin kasi napagod na siya kakaisip. But, after starting this, and it's not even the full dose yung tinitake niya, napansin niya talaga, he just has the energy to do the things. And it's not magic. Sabi nga ni Jen, it's backed up by science. Kasi ang tina-target niya is yung root cause. Not like caffeine na sudden boost of energy and then once it wears off, pagod ka na ulit. This one is para niyang nililinis yung buong system mo. So, as we get older, nagkakaroon ng accumulation ng toxins sa body, by what we eat, by the stress. And this one, actually, parang ito turn on niya sa katawan mo, sa katawan natin, yung natural ability to heal ourselves. So, it's not gonna heal you. It's just gonna wake your body up. Na parang sabi niya, oh, ito, your body's capable of this. So parang hinahanap niya sa katawan mo, ano yung mga switches na yon. So imagine, if you have this kind of product, yung efforts mo na that you're actually doing to have more energy, to have better sleep also, kumbaga, imo-multiply niya yung benefits. So that's why I love this so much. Now, as I mentioned, you can always go for the natural solution if you have the willpower and if you have the patience. But if you're at that point na you've seen na, teka, willpower is not enough, you may want to have these tools that I just mentioned. And why not? Kasi di ba, after working so hard in the day, deserve natin to feel good, deserve natin to feel energized, and not just give all our energy and our life sa mga pinagtatrabahuhan nating company. Now, at the end of the day, the real transformation in terms of our bodies, our health, our energy, our and also mental health is in intention. First of all, we have to be intentional na we want to achieve this for ourselves, di ba? Not just because it's nice to do, it's nice to have, but actually imagine how you felt when you were in your early 20s. Ano yung mga nagagawa mo? Kahit wala kang tulog, marami kang energy. Ngayon, kahit marami ka ng tulog, wala ka pa rin energy. So, first of all, is do you want that? Do you want to be in your 50s and feel like in your 20s? Diba? Not just feel, but also look. Sabi nga ni Jen kanina, yung sa Y-span, ito, napansin niya, nag-glow talaga siya. So, imagine if you have inside health and outside health together from the smart tools. Wala kang gagawin. Actually, you're just gonna take it. The scientists did all the work for you by combining all the ingredients na kailangan ng katawan mo to activate this body that you used to have. Okay? And now, if you're well and healthy naman, perfect, this is still good for you. Bakit? Kasi nga, it will multiply yung effect ng habits that you're already doing. So, if you're interested to have more conversations about this in private, what are the, let's say, customized solutions for you? Let's say, sabihin mo, Y-span is not yet for you. You can start with the WellSpa IO system. Diba? Kung tamad ka mag-exercise or tamad kang gumalaw, of course, this doesn't replace that. But it will, kumbaga, jumpstart you to start doing that. So, that's it. Jen, may gusto ka pa bang i-share? Closing tips or stories?
I guess it's a reminder for everybody na once you start doing it, wag kayong panghinaan ng loob if you miss out certain days, ganyan, kasi it happens naman. The important thing is that you're not counting the days, but you're building really the habit. Kasi you miss day 8, day 10, okay lang yun, basta just keep going. Yun lang, thank you.
I love that. Totoo. Whatever your concern is, you have to celebrate the wins that na may ginawa ka for today and focus on that, di ba? Kasi ang journey talaga natin with that, with changing the lifestyle, with changing the habits, is gonna be up and down, up and down. But at the end of it all, maganda, yung up and down mo, pataas siya lahat. So if you want more conversations about this, as I mentioned, gusto mo ng customized solutions for you, feel free to reach out. We want you to be part of our community of people na ang goals ba is when you're 50 or you're 60, you still look and feel like in your 20s. Diba? Why not? And aging now is an option. All right. Thank you for joining. We will see you tomorrow for our session on how to create money and time freedom for yourself, or if you're just looking to understand how money works. Thank you. Thank you, Jen, for joining live. Pagaling ka.
Thank you. Bye, everybody.
Bye.